They tell me that I'm never gonna make it. They want me to do something that could make sense. They hate when I keep dreaming I'll be famous, but I don't give a fuck, I'ma keep chasing. I got all this potential that's deep inside of me, but they hate when you're successful cause they try to be. They sit there being judgmental because you're trying things, and they just want you to settle and do the right thing. So get a good job, don't slack off. Wake up every morning, make a good impression on your boss. Don't do anything that I wouldn't do, and when you're making money, make sure you don't spend it too soon. Fuck that, I'll do what I wanna do. I got a different path from everyone, and that includes you. Who are you to tell me how to live life? In these times it feels like nobody's right, yeah. So I'ma figure out what else we succeed, and then invest all of my time into that and proceed. I need whatever the hell could make me happy, and I don't think you have a clue what could that be. They tell me that I'm never gonna make it. They want me to do something that could make sense. They hate when I keep dreaming I'll be famous, but I don't give a fuck, I'ma keep chasing. They tell me that I'm never gonna make it. They want me to do something that can make sense. They hate when I keep dreaming I'll be famous, but I don't give a fuck, I'ma keep chasing. I think this life could be special if I get rid of the devils. They think that I am a rebel, I think they want me to settle. There's nobody on my level. They think that work is too stressful, I think that work is a
Ulitin mo nga. Parang maganda doon. Sana all may dalang tsinelas. Hindi tayo magdala. Tara. Saan? Saan tayo? Dito. Kasi walang init. Hahanap kami ng magandang spot. Para kung saan magandang spot dun tayo. 20 pesos lang ang entrance fee dito. Ayun na tayo. Saan tayo dito? Yan. Ito? Oo. Saan? Dito na. Dito. Dito na lang. Dito. Oh. Ayun o. Malalim doon kuya. Lampas tao. Malalim. Ha? Ito malalim. May part na mababaw. Ay, dito? Ah, lagyan na natin dito. Wow. Dito na tayo. Kunti na lang. Hello. Team Bautista.
Ay, Team Bautista.
Ang ganda ng view. Welcome to Bitbit River. Lumot ko, malumot. Wow. Hello, Ray. Ray, baka malalim dyan.
Malapat ka?
Babaw dyan kasi kita pa yun. Hello. Ay, ganito na tayo. Ganon, tapos na doon. Tapos sa mamaya, iwan dito para may ganun, para ano? Dito mo lang muna. Tapos, okay ka na dyan. Dito na. Uy, tingnan niyo na lang po. Mamaya magkabis. Mamaya magkabis na ito eh. Naglalambingan yung mga gamit natin na kanila. Diyos niya mga motor. Bawal nila na tayo. Dito. Tinatangay talagang ilog naman! Ay, let's go! Normal na to. Sulit ang gala. Sulit ang half day na gala.